Hey YouTube, this is just a quick video review of the new Zag skin for the iPod Touch 4th generation. As you can see, the box is right here for Zag skin. It comes in a fairly inconspicuous, kind of like a cardboard plasticky kind of box. No instructions, not really anything of note inside the box, but there really doesn't need to be because unlike an Invisible Shield, which requires a lot of prep work with squeegees, liquid, and all that other junk, this is an easy installation, no spray needed. It works very well because basically it's a very mild adhesive that reacts to heat on the back of your iPod. First thing you want to notice about this is that I did get a white skin. It looks very nice, very sleek. Adds basically no extra weight to the actual iPod, no really extra thickness at all. It fits around the ports, very nice, although as you can see it does give room for chrome on this. It does not fit all the way up around, which I guess can be a good thing if you don't want to get your iPod damaged, but on that same token, they really probably didn't do an amazing job with lining up these buttons for accuracy, because as you can see, my speaker grate is kind of covered a little bit. If you go to the top, you can still see room missing. I actually had to cut a small piece out of the shield because it was so badly, I don't know how to put this, cut by Zag. They just did such a horrible job that I kind of had to take off the top a little bit, and I wound up actually cutting a little bit more off. But as you can see, it has the Zag logo right here. It fits around. It comes with the nice little camera hole and the camera. It can be applied and reapplied as many times as you need to. It's actually very easy to take on and off, believe it or not. And it gives great protection for your iPod. There's key tests where they literally take a key and scratch this thing. This is an Invisible Shield without having to go through all the mess. It works great. You don't have to worry about your iPod getting scratched at all. This will fit inside a lot of the cases. They give a little bit more breathing room. I don't know if this would fit inside a regular hard case, just because it does, even though it doesn't really add any thickness, it kind of, like most Invisible Shields, is not the actual back of the iPod anymore. So even though it doesn't really add a ton of thickness, it still adds just a little bit that could make getting this inside a case a little bit of a hassle. Otherwise, if you just like using your iPod bare, this is a great way how to protect it. As I said before, you can see the sides really don't line up to the top of the screen all that well. Both sides of my iPod, as you can see, are not protected in the best of ways, but for the most part, this back is completely covered. Very nice, very tactile. First impressions would be that it would probably actually be a little bit slippery. It really isn't. It gives you a little bit more of a grip, which is kind of surprising, all things considered. As I said, it does cover up the speaker a little bit on the bottom and the headphone jack, just the tiniest bit. It really doesn't make it a big issue, but something to keep your eyes out for. And for some reason, they also give these little slits. I have no clue why they were there. I guess it just adds a little bit more coolness to your iPod, although getting the chrome scratched probably wouldn't make it look that great. Other than that, this goes for $19.99 on Zag.com, plus add about $2 or $3 shipping, depending on where you are. And that's about it. As I said, it's a great little skin if you want to protect your iPod without having to use a case. If you do wind up using a case, you may not want to look into this. I like it a lot more than the regular Invisible Shield because you don't have to get it in white. You can actually customize it any way you really want to, as long as it's not violating copyrights or different things like that. As I said, it does do a really good job of protecting your iPod. So if you're interested, just go on Zag.com, Z-A-G-G.com, and look up Zag skins. They are a great way to protect your iPod. Thank you.